Hello dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Today we are going to start a new exercise 11.2. Student, in last exercise we have done the perimeter and area related questions for square and rectangle, right? And in this exercise we are going to do further geometrical shapes area. That is, in this exercise we will do two types of shapes, that is parallelogram and triangle, right student? And perimeter for parallelogram, sum of all sides; perimeter of triangle, sum of all sides, right? Now talking about area of parallelogram and area of triangle. Right, so before starting the exercise questions, let's take the introduction about the parallelogram and the triangle. As you know student, parallelogram is also a quadrilateral having four sides, but the shape is little bit like this. In this, opposite sides are parallel to each other. That is why it is called parallelogram. Right student? So what is the area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Area of parallelogram is base into height. What is base? This is base. Or what is height? Height is from this. This is called height. Make a line. That is a height. As you know, for a parallelogram, what is height? This would be the height. Right student? Okay, so this is area of parallelogram. Now second, area of triangle. So area of triangle is half base into height. Right student? And how it is half base into height? See, base into height is area for a parallelogram. Okay. So when we make a parallelogram and when we make a diagonal, see, we have made diagonal. This is a triangle. It means parallelogram ka half, right? So half base into height is the area of triangle. Have you seen? Up one is also, this is also a triangle. So that is why to make it learn what is area of triangle. Area of triangle is half base into height because parallelogram ka half hota hai triangle, right? And rest, this is the area of parallelogram, right? Now what is base? Base is this only. And what is height student? Height from any vertex when you are making. This is a height, right? From this vertex, this is a height. Right student? Height from any vertex you will make from towards the opposite side, that is height. Height is not this, right? This is breadth. What is height? Height is when we are making from any vertex, because it is talking about area. So area will consider the height from inside point only. Right student? Because area means a space occupied by an object. So we are talking about the inside one area. Right? So height is from inside from any vertex. When we draw a line, that is called height. Right student? I hope you got the formula that how it arises and what is the meaning for that. So area of parallelogram, base into height, and area of triangle, half base into height, because from the triangle when we make a diagonal, so half is called triangle only. That is why half base into height. Got student? We learn the formula by understanding. Don't cram the formula student. Right? So this is all about our introduction about parallelogram and triangle. So let's quickly start our exercise questions. Now student, coming to exercise question number 1, we have find the area of following parallelograms. So simply asking find the area of parallelogram. So for this you should know the formula for area. Right student? So let's see A part. This is a parallelogram. Okay, so as you know, the area of parallelogram is, this is the symbol for the parallelogram, parallel lines and GM. This is called parallelogram. So area of parallelogram we know base into height, right? So what is the base here? This is a base, that is 7 centimeter. And what is the height? As you know, this is the height, that is 4 centimeter. And always height is making a right angle triangle with the base. Obvious, this is base and height if we are drawing, so it should be a perpendicular. It will be a perpendicular, right? So base into height, simply 7 4s are 28 centimeter square. That's it, student. Very simple. Now coming to our D part. So this is a parallelogram and this is drawing a height. Student, height can be drawn from any vertex. Right? I told you from any vertex we are drawing a height with the base making an angle 90 degree. So what is the area for this? So area of parallelogram is, as we know, base into height. Right? So what is the base? This is base 5 centimeter and height is 4.8 centimeter. So 5 into 4.8 is 24.0 centimeter square. Because it is area, see centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So write down the correct unit. Right, student? Very simple. It is just a calculation. So one A and D part I have done. Only one part, C part you will do by your own. This is homework for you. That's it. Okay. So this is all about question number 1. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 2. Find the area for the following triangles. So area for triangle. So for that you need to learn the formula. What is area of triangle? Half base into height. So let's take out for A part. This is a triangle. So as we know, area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Right, student? So base is 4 centimeter. So half would be as it is. Base is 4 centimeter into height is making an angle 90 degree with the base. So this is height 3 centimeter. Right? Now you will solve it. Right, students? See, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Right? It is in denominator, it is in numerator. So it will be cancelled out. So 3 2s are 6. 6 centimeter square. Very simple. You have to do the correct calculation. Right? Now C part. See, student, we have a triangle. And what is the height now? See, this is not a height because this is a height. Why? Because height is making 90 degree angle with the base. Although it is outside from the triangle. Right? But this is a height because this is making a 90 degree. Right, student? So let's take out the area for this triangle. So area of triangle. Every time you need to write down the formula. Right, student? It's very important. So just put the values into the formula. Base is 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. So this 2 will cancel out with this 2. Right? So 3 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. The calculations should be correct. Rest the question is very simple. As you can see in the formula, direct you need to put the values. That's it. Okay, student? Very simple. So this is all about question number 2. One thing only you need to understand, height always be making a 90 degree angle with the base. It is a perpendicular only, right? So perpendicular means at 90 degree. Okay, student? So this is all about question number 2. One part only you will do as a homework, that is D part. D part you will solve by your own, right? So this is all about question number 2. Now coming to our next question. Now student, coming to our question number 3. Question number 3 and question number 4, both question having the same type. So I'm doing both the question at same time. So understand it carefully, although it's just very simple. What is the question? Find the missing values. Means you have to find out the missing term. As student we used to do in our previous exercise also, like area of rectangle is length into breadth. If area is given to you, length is given to you, you need to find out the breadth. That is breadth is equals to area upon length. So at same time, of 3 terms, find whatever term is missing, you need to find out. That's it. And with using the basic formula. Right, student? See, A part for question number 3. Base is given to you 20 centimeter. Height is missing over there. And area of parallelogram. It means in this is talking about area of parallelogram. So as you know, let's start the solution. You got student how to do? We know area of parallelogram is base into height. Right student? Now area of parallelogram is given to you 246 centimeter square. Base is given to you 20 centimeter and height you need to find out. So very simple, as you know which term you need to find out, it will remain the same term. It will remain the same side. So rest term will shift, right student, with changing its side. So 246 centimeter square is equals divided by 20 centimeter. Now what we'll do? We'll do division. Centimeter will cancel out with 1 centimeter. Divide it, student, 20 with 246. 20 ones are 20, 4 6, then 20 2s are 40, 6 will come 0, then point and 26 are 60. It means the answer is 12.6. So the height would be 12.6 centimeter. Very simple, it is just a calculation only, nothing else. So the same time, question number 4, A part, base is given to you, height is missing. Now here is asking area of triangle. So very simple student, with the help of the formula, area of triangle is half base into height. Right? Next step, put the values into the formula. Area of triangle 87 centimeter square, half base 15 centimeter and height we don't know. So that's it. Height will remain here only, right? Here is 87 centimeter square. Now students see, we will shift the terms. Understand it carefully. It is 1 by 2. When 1 by 2 shift that side, 2 is in division. So it will go in multiplication. And 15 is in multiplication. It will go in division. Right student? So very simple. As you know, it will not cut with each other. 2 is not dividing with 15. 15 is not dividing with 87. So what you will do? 87 into 2 is 7 2s are 14. H is equals to 7 2s are 14. 8 to 16 and 17. 174 upon 15 centimeter with cancel out with 1 centimeter only. So it means you will divide it. When you will divide 174 upon 15, 15 ones are point, 15 6 are, okay. So next, so the answer is height would be 11.6. That's it student. As you can see, there is just a calculation and this only under your hand how you are solving a term. Okay, so this is very simple. Whatever term is missing, you need to find out that term. This is all about question number 3 A part, question number 4 A part. So for question number 3 B part and for question number 4 B part, for both one part you will do by your own as a homework for the practice. Right student? It is just very simple only. Need to focus on the calculation part. So this is all about question number 3 and 4. Now coming to our next question. Now coming to our question number 5. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is height. This QM is height. Now this height is for SR base. Right? This is the same only it is written over here. And QN, this QN is a height on the base PS. Right student? Means for this height the base is SR and for this height the base is PS. This thing you need to understand that what is the base for a particular height. Right student? Now coming to our next line, if SR is 12 centimeter, it means this base is 12 centimeter and QM means this height is 7.6 centimeter. Find. Now A part is find the area of parallelogram. In this parallelogram, two height you have. So doesn't matter student. The question is area of parallelogram. So for area of parallelogram, two things you need to find out. Base into height, and base is given to you 12 and when height is given to you 7.6. So with the help of this we easily found the area of parallelogram. So take out for A part. Area of parallelogram is, as we know, base into height, right? So base is 12 centimeter and height is 7.6 centimeter. So 12 into 7.6 is 91.2 centimeter square. It means this is the area of parallelogram. Right, student? Now coming to our B part. What is asking in B part? QN means you have to find out this height QN, right? And this QN is the base for PS and PS is mentioned to you, that is 8 centimeter. So easily we can find out the height, because for height, base into height. Height we don't know. Area of parallelogram, yes we know. We found in the A part. Right, student? So B part is, as we know, area of parallelogram is base into height. Right, student? Area is 91.2 centimeter square. Base is 8 centimeter and height is QN, that we don't know. Although you can write H, only your choice. Right? So H we need to find out. So 8 will shift towards left side, we change its sign. So 91.2 divided by 8 is 11.4 and 1 centimeter will cancel out with this centimeter. So 11.4 centimeter. So the height is 11.4 centimeter. Both type of question, previous, this question we had on question number 1 and such type of question we had on question number 3. Right, student? It means the question is just same only as we have done earlier, but the question formation is different. That's it. And you need to understand the question formation only. Right, student? So this is all about question number 5. Now coming to our next question. Now coming to our question number 6. DL and BM are the height of a parallelogram ABCD. See, students, from the figure you are getting that BM is a height for DA, means DA is a base and MB is a height, okay, and AB is a base and DL is a height, because wherever the height is making at 90-degree angle with the base, that is the particular base, your respective base for a respective height. Right, student? It's understood from the figure. Right, coming to our next line, the area of parallelogram is this much centimeter square. It means the area of this parallelogram is given to you. Right, it means either is asking the base you have to find out or asking the height you have to find out. So let's see. AB is 35 centimeter. It means this base is given to you, and AD is 49 centimeter. It means this base is also given to you. And the question is, find the length of BM and DL. It means you need to find out the height for both the bases. Right, student? So it's very simple question, like we have done in question number 3 or 4. Right? So what you will write? First of all, area of parallelogram. Right? For that is base into height. And first of all, you will take base AB and height DL, right? And area is given to you. So with the help of this, you will able to find out DL value. And similarly for DA, base into height BM. So similarly for that also, you will easily find the value for BM. Right, student? So I have discussed here that how to do this question. It is just very simple question, right? So this question is homework for you. You will solve this question by your own. I have told you the method, although the method is just same only. Okay? So this is all about question number 6. Now coming to our next question. Now question number 7 we have ABC is a triangle and it is a right angle triangle at A. What is the meaning of right angle triangle at A? We have done such type of question. It means 90 degree is forming at A. right student? So it is a triangle, it is a right angle triangle which is making 90-degree angle at A, right? AD is perpendicular on BC. As you know, this is BC base, this is height for this triangle, right? If AB is 5, BC is 13 centimeter and AC is 12 centimeter is given to you. Find the area of triangle ABC. And as you know, the area of triangle is half base into height, right? So base is, right, 13 centimeter because height is forming on BC only. So base we will take BC only and height is AD. So AD height is again we don't have in the equation, right student? So how we take out the area of triangle, this ABC? See student, as we know, this is a right angle triangle and right angle is forming at A point, right? So suppose it is AB and C point, right angle triangle forming at A, right? So see student, this is a perpendicular, AC is a perpendicular, that is 12 centimeters. So this is the height can be, right? Because question may mention here that it is a right angle triangle. So let's take out for area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half base into height, right student? What is base? Base is AB. And what is height? Height is AC, right student? If you don't know in such manner, you will write down here what is AB and what is AC, right? So let's take out half base. AB is 5 centimeter and AC is 12 centimeter, right student? So now cut 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30. So it means area of triangle ABC is equals to 30 centimeter square, right? Now coming to our next part, also find the length of AD. Now you have to find out the length of AD easily because area we know, base BC we know, so easily we will find out the height, right? So for that, area of triangle is half base into height. And for that triangle student, what is base? Base is BC, half base is BC and height is AD, right? Area of triangle we found 30 centimeter square. So 30 centimeter square is equals to half base is BC. So BC value is 13 centimeter and AD we need to find out. So what we'll do? We'll shift these terms toward left hand side with changing its sign. So 30 centimeter square, 2 is in division, it will go in multiplication. Divide by, it is multiplied, it will go with division is equals to AD. So students, 30 into 2, 60 upon 30. Centimeter will cancel out with 30. So the answer is AD is equals to 60 upon 30 centimeter. Or you can divide it also, right student? This type of question in starting only we have done. Now the question is just forming in the word problem, that's it. Okay, so this is all about your question number 7. Now the last question we have, question number 8 student. This question is just same as question number 7 only. In that question you have two height, means on BC 80 and again from any vertex height is drawn and this height is for AB. Okay, and everything is mentioned to you. You need to find out the height of the given triangle. That's it. And for that you will put the formula in the same manner. Area was given to you, base was given to you, and you easily find the value for the height. Right student? So question number 8 is homework for you. It is very simple. You will try it. If you feel any problem, you can ask me. Right student? So now this is all about our exercise 11.2. In this we have learned area of parallelogram and area of triangle. That's it, which is very simple concept. Okay, directly you put the formula and directly you will find out the value for a given term. Right, student? So that's all for today's class. I hope you understood today's topic, and if you have any query, you can ask me in comment section or individually as well. So till then, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye students, and take care.